go from here?
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Jason, and you're tuned into I Speak Geek. So today I got the new Amazon Kindle PaperWhite in front of me. So this is all new for 2020. So this is an all new design that's more flush and it's also waterproof. And what Amazon did with this one, they introduced Bluetooth. So you can listen to your Audible audiobooks on the Kindle PaperWhite with a set of Bluetooth headphones. So let's actually unbox this and see how it compares to my Kindle PaperWhite from 2015, which of late I found it to be very invaluable to me because I got tired of reading on my iPhone or my iPad, whereas the Kindle PaperWhite is more natural to read. So without further ado, let's unbox this and get it set up. Got my trusty unboxing knife, and let's see what all comes in the package. It's a very small and thin package. I mean, it is the Kindle PaperWhite, and they actually say it's lighter this year. So, all right. So we got the Kindle PaperWhite in front of us now, and I got the old Kindle PaperWhite here as well. So let's see what all comes in the package. It's very, very small. So you can see these two models together, very similar. On my right is the one from 2020, and this is the old one I have for 2015. So pretty similar. The one on the right is a little bit lighter. As you can see, it's a little bit thinner on the one on the right, the 2020 model. Seems like there's like I don't know if that's the button or IR blaster. It's just the power button, but it's still micro USB, as you can see right there. And the same with the older one. Slightly different, slightly changed. Let's turn it on, see what it looks like. I know it definitely feels a little bit different being that flush design, whereas you can feel the groove with the old one. So I guess this must be a way of them waterproofing it because there was some seams that water could get in. So I'm gonna go set this up, play around with it. But I guess a nice little upgrade, slightly lighter, so make for good with reading, so your arms don't get tired. But it looks the same, and I can't really tell a difference in the brightness without, testing it intensively. But this is the new Kindle PaperWhite for 2020. And guys, if you found any value in this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.
No one
Later,
can
guys.
save us
Peace.
from keeping